Welcome back, writers. Last week you worked so hard on planning out your nonfiction chapter books. You picked a topic, you planned out your chapters, you practiced teaching someone else about your topic, and then you started writing your chapters. Today I want to teach you another craft move that we use when we're writing nonfiction chapter books. Today I want to teach you that writers use craft moves like speech bubbles and big bold words to teach their readers. So let's look at my writing from this week. I chose chapter 4, and that was all about what to avoid at a picnic. And I decided to use speech bubbles to teach my reader a little bit more about what to avoid. So if you look at my sketch for this chapter, I drew someone eating and drinking at a picnic, and then I also added a bumblebee because that's definitely something that you want to avoid if you're outside at a picnic. And in my speech bubble, I included "watch out for the bee," and then I wrote "buzz" for the bumblebee. So writers use speech bubbles to teach their readers a little bit more and to give more information inside of their writing. Isn't that kind of cool? Now let's move down to my words, or where I wrote my sentences. Do you see any words that stick out to you? Yes, I have the word ants and bees and a lot. And writers use these big, bold words to draw their readers' attention to words or things that are important inside of their writing. And you can do that too. So I said picnics are fun, but there are some things to avoid. Watch out for ants and bees. Sweet foods like watermelon, cakes, or lemonade can attract a lot of bugs. Do you see how I changed my voice when I read those big, bold words? That drew my readers' attention and let them know, oh, these are very important things that the writer needs me to know. You can do that in your writing this week too. Remember, our big celebration is on Friday, and we're going to be able to share our nonfiction chapter books in a Schoology discussion. So this week, work really hard on adding maybe speech bubbles to your writing, or adding big, bold words to teach even more. I can't wait to see what you've been working on.